Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to solve CSSE style question for the fraction, and the paper I'm going to solve today is 2024. Okay, not for the last year, I mean for this year paper, the paper year before 2024, and the question number one. Okay, so the question number, I would say CSSE 2024, and the question number 2a. So the 2a question is 4 over 5 plus 1 over 7. Yeah, so this is the question. The first things we need to see, okay, what kind of this fraction question. Okay, so look at this one. The unlike denominators, and they are not multiples. Okay, so because 5 and 7 are not multiples, so it means the method we're going to use it, what, very simple, very easy. What you're going to do it, the first step, you need to times for these two number. Okay, this is your first step. Yeah, so you're going to do 5 times 7 is 35, and the second step is this one, our second step of 4 times 7 is 28. This is our second step. This is called second step. And the third step is 1 time 5 equal to 5. Yeah, so it's very simple, very easy. You're going to add 28 plus 5 is going to be 33 over 35. So this is your final answer, because numerator lower than denominator and they are not multiples. Okay, so this is your final answer. So we solve if they are not common multiples. So very simple, you times by 5 times 7 is 35, then you multiply 4 times 7, which is 28, and 5 times 1 is 5. So you're going to add 28 plus 5 to get 33 and 35. So this is your final answer. Go for the question number B. So question number 2B is, guys, so 3 1 4 minus 158. Very simple, very easy question. So first step, these are the mixed number, has to change to the improper fractions. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4, and same as this one, 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 plus 5 is 13, so 13 over 8. Now look at this again. Okay, so denominator are common multiples. If they are common multiples, so the rule says you need to make it to 8, this one. So what number we times? 4 times 2 is 8. The rule says if we times with denominator, we need to times with numerator. Yeah, so look at this one, 13 times 2 is 26, and 4 times 2 is 8, minus 13 over 8. So now 26 minus 13, you keep denominator as it is, 8. 26 take away 13 is 13. Now you get the answer 13 over 8, but numerator higher than denominator. The rule says if numerator higher than denominator, you must convert to the mixed number. Okay, how we convert the mixed number? Very simple. 1 times 8 is 8, and the remainder is 5. So your answer will be 1 whole 5 over 8. So this is the question number 2B for the 2024, and the part C is, the part C is says there is a box. Okay, the box is given, and it says times, and it says 3 over 4, and equal to 634. Yeah, so this is the question. Yeah, part C. So now look at this one. This one is divide here. Okay, so this fraction is divide. So what we're going to do it. Okay, so we need to basically the inverse of times is division. So keep as it is this box here. Okay, and this going to be, okay, we are moving this 3 over 4 to this side is going to be changed to the sign of divide. So divide 3 over 4. Okay, so same as the inverse of times is division, and division inverse is times. So now the next step, very simple. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So 27 over 4. Same as, okay, divide sign going to be changed to the times, and if you change to the times, the fraction going to be flipped 4 over 3. Yeah, now look at this one. This 4 cancel with this 4, and 3 times 9 is 7. So it means your answer is 9. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, so your answer is 9. Okay, you can verify as well. Okay, how you can verify whether you get the right answer or not? So 9 times 3 is what? 9 times 3 is 27. Yeah, so 27. I'm gonna verify this one. So 9 times 3 over 4. So 9 times 3 is what? 27 over 4. Now 27 or over 4, numerator higher than denominator, convert to the mixed number. Okay, so 6 times 4 is 24, and the remainder is 3. So it means your answer 9 is right. So this is the question came in 2024 for the fractions. Okay, the question number 2A, B, C. Now I'm gonna solve the CSSE 2023. Okay, the topic same we are covering for the fractions. Okay, the question number 2A, B, and C. Okay, all three questions based on the fractions. So now we're gonna solve the question number CSSE 2023, and the question number 2A is very simple, very easy. It says 2 over 5 plus 1 over 6. Look at these are, okay, so these are not common multiples. If they are not common multiples, the rule says you need to times this one. So this is your first step. So 5 times 6 is 30, and the second step is 2 times 6 is 12, and 1 time 5 is 5. So your answer is 17 over 30. Very simple, very easy. Okay, if they are not common multiples, okay, so you simply times denominators. Yeah, so 5 times 6 is 30, and the second step, this is your first, and this is your second, and this is your third steps. Yeah, and then you simply add these two number, you get 17 over 30. Check your answer. If numerator lower than denominator, so it means this is your final answer if they are not multiples. Okay, if they are multiples, for example, you get here 15 over 30, yeah, as an answer. So it has to be the lowest term. So these are the multiples. So what you're going to do it very simple. You need to cancel this one. So 15 times 1 is 15, and 15 times 2. Okay, so the answer will be 1 over 2 in case you will get the answer like this. Yeah, so but in this question you get the answer 17 over 30. Go for the question number B. Question number 2B. It says 9 divide equal to 6. Okay, so what is the missing number? We don't know. Okay, so how we work out? Very simple, very easy. So you need to write down divide means you just draw a line and write here box. Yeah, okay, and equal to 6. As I said to you, if what if a number is dividing, okay, if the box is dividing here, so if I move here, it's going to be times, yeah. So, and times inverse is division, yeah. So what we're going to do is, so we very simple, move this 6 here as a, so 9 divided by 6, and this one divide going to be times here. So now we can say 9 divided by 6, so it means 6 times 1 is 6, and the remainder is 3. And now look at this one, numerator and denominator, 3 over 6. These are the multiples. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So your answer is 1, 1, 2. Yeah. So this is the answer for the question number B. Okay. And now move for the part C. Okay. In the part C, it says the question is, so the 2, 17, 20, and then they say box, yeah, and after a box it says what, let me, okay, so this one, the answer you get, I can write here is 1, 1, 2, yeah, your final answer when you simplify. So this is a box, okay, and then they give you the answer 1, 3, 5, yeah. So same as, okay, the question is 2 whole number 17, 20, then subtract in a box and equal to 135. This is the concept, okay. Okay, you need to check, okay. First things you need to check, what? This number is higher, okay, 2. And the 2 as a whole number, subtract, okay, by this. So the concept is that if I'm going to ask you 4 minus box, okay, equal to what? 1, yeah. So the concept is that, yeah, so the number is going to be subtract, after subtracting you will get the 1, yeah. So exactly what you're going to do, it very simple, you're going to subtract 4 minus 1, okay, this value, and you will get the answer 3. Exactly same thing you need to do it here, and you're going to do what? So 2, 1, 7, 20, you need to subtract this value, okay, 1, 3, 5, yeah. The first step, convert to the improper fractions. So 20 times 2 is 40, 40 plus, 17, which is 57, 57 over 20, and 5 times 1 is 5, and plus 3 is 8, so 8 over 5. Look at this one again. 20 and 5 are your common multiples. If they are common multiple, check my video, okay, where I explain how to work out the common multiples. You are not going to do this method, okay, so times by two numbers. Simply you make it the second fraction to 20 because they are multiples. So 5 times 4 is 20. If I timed with denominator, so I must time with numerator, yeah. So now look at this one. So 57 over 20, and then minus 8 times 4 is 32, and 5 times 4 is 20. So now 20, same denominator, and you keep as it is. And now 57 take away 32. So 7 take away 2 is 5, and 5 take away 3 is 2. So you get the answer 25 over 20. Yeah. But this is not your final answer. Why? Because there are two things happening here. Yeah. What? First thing, numerator higher than denominator. Yeah. Okay. And second things, they are multiples. The easy way, what you're going to do, they are multiples, to cancel. 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times 5 is 25. So you get the answer 5 over 4. But again, numerator higher than denominator, so you need to convert to the mixed number. It means 4 times 1 is 4, and the remainder is 1. So your answer is 1 whole 1 4, yeah. Okay, So these are the questions for the CSE 2023. Yeah. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your family, friends, and if you need any help and support for 11 plus, so please contact. You can find my number. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care.